Had your
What about
breakfast?
you, ma'am?
Yeah, even I had. Okay. So we won't wait for everyone to join. Let us start the class now. So which
Okay,
was
ma'am.
the topic we were dealing with? Which was the chapter?
Matter in our surroundings.
Oh, very good. So it is matter in our surrounding. So I have
Surroundings.
prepared a PPT and I will be sharing it with you now. Before going to that, let me ask you a few questions which we had discussed in the earlier classes. Okay. See, everyone should mute it. I will be specifying the names and I will be asking you the questions. Only those people should answer to my question. Fine? Am I audible to you, first of all? Am I audible? You're able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
That's good. And
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
seeing here most of you have not switched on your videos. See, if you are wasting time like this, we will be hardly getting 15 minutes. So, Sushan, Madhumita, Aisha, Rishabh, where are you people? I'm unable to see you. Be fast, make it fast. Ashwin Kumar. Okay, where is Madhumita, Rishabh, Shrujana? What is this? Ilhan? Ilhan. Who is this? Tanish. Okay. So in our last class, we had discussed orally what actually is a matter. We got to know about few examples of matter, how they are being classified, right? So what is the physical nature of matter and few properties of matter, right or wrong? So I will be showing you the slides so that it will be completely clear for you people today. Once again, we will be discussing the same and we will be proceeding. Okay. So Radhashri, can you tell what is matter? Radhashri?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what is matter? Be fast.
Matter has a space between.
What is matter? I'm asking you the definition of matter.
Matter is made up of small particles which we cannot be seen through our naked eyes.
So those are the properties. That is the nature of the matter. What is matter? Amruta? Amruta Sinchana. Can you tell? Okay,
Yes,
very
ma'am.
good.
Any substance in universe are called as matter.
Any substance in universe that has some property along with that.
Yes, ma'am.
What is that?
So it is very tiny, which we cannot see in our naked eyes.
Okay, you people are correct, but I'm not getting the proper definition for matter. Ashish, be fast. Ashish, I'm not able to hear you. Who can tell? Okay. Muta, SL, huh?
Any substances that is in universe that take place and mass is known as matter.
Okay, matter is a substance, is any substance that occupies space and which has mass is known to be as a matter. And you got to know about few definition, few examples for matter.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Now you're able to hear. You can increase your volume button there near phones. Okay, I will be sharing you the screen. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it visible for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we will be studying the first chapter in your science textbook that we will be dealing with chemistry chapter, matter in our surrounding. So you got to know the definition already. Matter is any substance that occupy space and which has mass. Okay. So the examples of matter I will be sharing you. No need to write any important point. If I am telling, you can note it down. Okay. So examples of matter are here: pen, pencil, book, duster, water, petrol. Anything which occupies space and which has mass is known to be as a matter. So what is the SI unit of mass? What actually is mass? What is mass?
Kilogram.
How can you measure that in terms of kilogram? So the SI unit of mass is kilogram. That is kg. Similarly,
kg.
it may occupy space and it may also has mass or volume. We tell. If it is liquid, we measure it by using cubic meter, ml, liter, 1 liter. 1 liter of cool drinks you might have heard, right? So mass is measured in terms of kg, volume is measured in terms of cubic meter, which refers to liter. Meter cube, which refers to liter. Okay, how is this being classified? You know, students, in the earlier times and all, earlier Indian philosophers, what they did was they classified matter. According to them, they classified matter into 5 basic elements. Understanding? Before it was being classified into solid, liquid and gas, earlier philosophers, what they did, they classified matter into 5 basic elements. Which are those basic elements? Air,
Earth,
water,
Earth, sky,
sky
and
and
fire.
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 So they classified all the substances in the universe are being classified based on these 5 elements, and those 5 elements were known as Pancha Tattva. What they are known as? Pancha
Panchatattva.
Okay, this was earlier, before the discovery of solid, liquid and gases. Before the classification into solid, liquid and gases, how they classified the matter into 5 elements, that is air, water, earth, sky
fire.
and fire. Fine. So after some years, based on their physical nature, how they appear, like water, it appears to be as a liquid. Oxygen, it appears to be as a gas. Duster, it appears to be as a solid. So based on their physical properties, how we see, how we imagine, how we can see the things, based on that it was being classified into solids, liquids and gases. So even now we classify matter into 3 types, that is solids, liquids and
Liquid,
gases. Clear?
gases.
Clear with this slide? Based on
Yes,
their
yes,
chemical
ma'am.
properties, how they react with, there are particles, atoms, we discussed earlier only. There are many particles in the matter. There are many atoms in the matter. So how they combine, how they undergo the reaction, based on their chemical property, again it is further classified into elements, compounds and mixture. Clear? We will be studying this later on. So in this chapter, we will be more discussing upon the physical properties of matter, that is classified into solids, liquid and gases.
Gases.
Clear? Clear with this
Yes,
slide?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
How is the matter being classified in the earlier time?
Air, water,
It was being classified into 5 elements, that is known to be as air, water, earth, sky and fire. So based on their physical property, how they are being classified?
Solid,
liquid and gases.
Gas.
They are further classified based on their chemical properties into elements, compounds
and mixture.
mixtures. Very good. Okay. See here. Already this thing we had discussed. I did not show you the picture that day. So I thought of creating a PPT of even this. So first point was matter is made up of particles. Right? That is nothing but it is made up of an atom. Do you think all the particles in all 3 states of matter will be same in size, same in shape and nature?
No,
In
ma'am.
water,
No,
particles
ma'am.
are
No, ma'am.
present.
No,
In
ma'am.
gas, particles are present. I don't want mass answers there. Okay. In everything, in each and everything, there are different particles that are being present, right? They are all not same. So they differ in their shape, size, nature from when compared to other type of a matter. Clear? Clear or not? Okay, for that we
Yes,
had taken an
ma'am.
example that day. Imagine, you can see the picture here. I'm showing the arrow mark. I'm showing the arrow mark here. Okay. So you can see in a beaker, 50 ml of water was being taken. To that, 1 spatula of salt is being added and it is stirred. It is mixed. So what happens to the level? It remains same.
It remain constant.
It remains constant. That is, the particles are being present in the matter. Okay. Similarly, next picture we can see, which tells the particles of matter are very small or tiny. Okay, in which we can tell the particles of matter are very small and tiny. 100 ml of water was being taken. To that, what was being added? That they had told.
Potassium permanganate.
Very good. We added
Potassium
potassium
permanganate.
permanganate. A few crystals of potassium permanganate was added. You can see the color here. It is darker. Okay. When we take 10 ml of the prepared solution and you add it into 100 ml of fresh water, what is the color? Is the color same?
Decreases the color.
It decreases. Similarly, the next beater you can see, the other next beater you can see. What is happening to the color? It is slightly decreasing. But potassium permanganate is there or not?
It is there.
It is there. So what does it tell?
It's the
What does
presence
that
of
tell? There is a presence of small amount of potassium
potassium
permanganate. The atoms or the particles of potassium permanganate are too much small that we cannot see it through our naked eyes.
naked eyes.
So what are the two physical nature of matter? What are the two physical nature of matter? Shreya.
It occupies space.
Two physical nature of matter. It is there on the slide itself. Shreya KS.
It occupies space and it occupies space. The particles of matter are very small and tiny.
Okay. What is matter
And
made up of? What is matter made up of? Very good. Tell.
Matter is made up of
What it
space
is
and mass.
Eh? What it is made up of?
Particles.
It is made up of particles and it is
Atoms.
also known to be as an atoms. Now, let us know the characteristics of matter. There are three major characteristics of matter. Remember, one, the particles of matter have space between them. Okay. Next, particles of matter are continuously moving. I will explain this. Okay. Particles of matter attract each other. Okay. Which are the three characteristics of matter? Three major characteristics. First one, let us see now.
Solid.
Particles of matter have space between them. What does this mean? You can see the picture there. Everyone can see the picture.
Ma'am.
First one is what? A. What is A?
Solid.
Solid. What is B?
Liquid.
What is C?
Gas.
Very good. So you can see in that round circular shaped thing are the particles. These circular shaped things are the particles. How are the particles arranged in the solids? Are they near or are they far?
They're having space.
Near. Do they have space in between them?
No, ma'am.
Very little space is there. Very little it is. Right? In the
they're having
second one,
space.
is there space in between the liquid particles?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What about in the gas?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Less
ma'am.
or more?
Gas.
More.
More. Okay, in solid the space is less, very less. In liquid it is less, and in the gases it is more.
More.
So what can you tell? How can you tell the particles of matter have space between them? Which one is having more space?
Gases.
Gas.
Which one is having very less space?
Solid.
Why it is having very less space?
Because it is solid.
Because it is solid. Okay. Why
Because
it is having
fixed
very less
is
space? You can see the
because it
particles are
has
held
fixed
tightly.
shape.
You can see the particles are held tightly.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
Yes.
So only the space between the particle is very less. As the particles are held tightly attached to one another, there is very less space in between the particles. That space is known to be as an interparticle space. What it is known as? Particles are there in between the particles. So interparticle space is very less in solids. Understanding? Understanding or
Yes,
not?
ma'am.
In between the particles,
ma'am.
the space is very less in solids. In between the particles, the space is less. It is considerably okay in liquid, and in gases, it is very much more. Okay, you can take an example of Dettol. Dettol, you can take an example. What happens when Dettol is being mixed in water? What happens when Dettol is being mixed with water? It will completely dissolve. Right or wrong? It will mix up.
Ma'am.
It will mix up, right? Why does it mix up?
Because it has space.
Because in
Because
liquids there is a
particles have
space.
space.
Particles, there is a space in between the particles.
Particles.
So particles of Dettol will mix up with the particles of water.
Water.
Getting it? Getting it or not? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Similarly, you can also take an example of salt, sugar. When it is added to water, it will occupy the space of the liquid. Mixture of air. In the atmosphere, you know, air is present. What is the composition of air? What and all will be present in air?
Gases. Different type of.
Gases are present. Oxygen, nitrogen,
Carbon
Carbon
dioxide.
carbon
dioxide.
dioxide, carbon monoxide in the atmosphere. It is a mixture. Why it is occupying so much space?
Because air has free.
Gas has
Because there is an interparticle space, high interparticle space that can easily
Space.
mix with each other. Got it?
yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Next, particles of matter are continuously moving.
Properly.
Okay, particles of matter are continuously.
Can't hear properly.
Now, you can hear me?
Ma'am, say them to mute.
You're able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next property is particles of matter are continuously moving. What does it mean? You can see the picture again.
Yes, ma'am.
First one is what?
Solid.
Second one?
Liquid.
Third one? Gas. Okay. See here. First one. Do you think the particles of matter will move?
No, ma'am.
Why doesn't it move?
Because it is tightly packed.
Because it is tightly packed and because it has very less space in between them. Okay. Liquids. Can they continuously move?
No, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
Can move, but
Yes,
not
ma'am.
as fast as gas.
Gas.
Okay, what about gases?
It can move
It
anywhere.
can
Can
move
move
constantly.
easily. It can move easily. So only whenever your parents are cooking some delicious food, right? You're entering the home and you'll tell, are you preparing this? Do you tell or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Mom,
ma'am.
you're preparing this item. You'll tell, you'll definitely tell. At least few people will tell, those who are more foodies, right? So why you're
No,
getting
ma'am.
that smell? Why are you getting that smell?
Because the
Because of gas.
It's really
Because gas
gas.
can
particles is
continuously
moving everywhere.
particles is moving.
particles present in the
Has
gas
space.
can easily move. Okay, getting it or
Ma'am.
not? So as soon as
Ma'am.
you enter the home, what happens there? Mom will be preparing something vada, and you will feel, Mom, you are preparing vada.
Yes,
I'm too much hungry, you will tell. Why is that
No,
happening?
ma'am.
Because gaseous molecules are continuously moving.
Really moving.
Okay, clear? Clear
Yes,
or
Ma'am.
not?
Ma'am.
See, for
Yes,
example,
ma'am.
when you put a drop of ink into the water, ink, blue ink,
Yes,
ink
miss.
pen, you might have seen ink when you put
Yes,
into the
ma'am.
water. What will happen at that time? Ink
The
will
ink
spread
will move.
It will.
automatically.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
It will
miss.
spread. Why it is spreading? Why it is moving?
The liquid
Because
has
The liquid has
particles are
space between them.
Okay, liquid has space between them and they can easily move.
Move.
So it will spread. So that movement, to move, some
Yes, ma'am.
energy it has to possess. What is that
Yes,
energy
ma'am.
known to be as?
kinetic
Kinetic
energy.
energy.
Kinetic energy.
Any substance,
Energy.
any material which is in motion, which is in movement, is known, they possess a energy called kinetic energy.
Energy.
Similarly, ink is moving. Ink is getting spreaded in water. It is possessing some kinetic energy, so it is moving in water.
Water.
Okay, clear? Similarly,
Okay,
gas.
ma'am.
Something she is preparing the food. Mom is preparing the food. What is happening? You are getting the smell of that. Why you are getting? The gaseous molecules are obtaining the
Moving.
kinetic energy and they are moving. Whereas in solids, you can't see this. Is there any movement of a solid unless or until you put some force?
No,
Unless
ma'am.
or until you put some force. Is there any movement? No.
No,
No,
ma'am.
miss.
Okay, so it is the particles of solids are not continuously moving. Whereas the particles of the liquids are moving considerably. Whereas the particles of gases are continuously moving at a drastic rate. Okay, clear with this?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Clear
ma'am.
with this point? So the next point I have
Yes,
mentioned
miss.
there is particles intermix with each other on their own is known as diffusion. What does this mean? Imagine again the same example. A drop of ink you are putting into the water and you mix it. Okay. Does the water color change?
Yes, miss.
Yes, it
Yes,
will
ma'am.
change. What will be the color of the water now?
Blue.
Blue. Where was the blue color more, whether it was in ink or water?
Ink.
Ink.
Ink, it was more. Blue color was more in ink. What happened to that blue color from the ink? It moved into
It
the,
decreases.
it moved into what?
Water.
Water.
As soon as you added, the ink droplets moved into water. Right?
And
Why
mixed.
did it move?
Because
Particles have more space.
Particles have more space, they can easily mix. That mixing is nothing but the intermix. Understanding? Two materials are mixing with each other, intermix. Ink is getting mixed with water.
water.
So what is happening?
It is intermixing.
It is intermixing. What do you mean by diffusion? In your earlier classes, you might have learnt about it. Who will tell? Kanita, can you tell?
It moves in same manner.
moves in the same
Miss, it moves
manner?
in
No.
different manner. Miss, it moves in different manner.
No. See, there is high concentration of blue color. I will give you one clue, okay? Listen properly.
Okay,
There is
ma'am.
high concentration of blue color in ink.
Hmm.
There is low concentration of blue color in water.
Water.
What is diffusion? What is moving?
The
What is
decreasing
moving?
of ink.
What is moving? Just tell me.
Ink.
The ink is
Color.
moving. From where to where it is moving? From high concentration to
Low
Low.
concentration.
low concentration. Ink, can we consider it as a particle? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
It is one
Yes, miss.
substance. Then what is diffusion? Mass. Tell. What is moving? From where to where it is moving?
Ink is moving to water. Ink is moving to water.
Ink is moving into water. In so short, simple way you told. The movement of molecules or the particles from higher concentration to the lower concentration. Understanding? The movement
Yes,
of
ma'am.
particles or molecules from where to where?
Ink
From
to
where to
water.
where?
Ink
To
to
water.
water.
Ink is high concentration. Water is low
To low.
concentration. So the movement of particles or molecule from higher concentration to lower
Lower
concentration is known to be as
concentration.
diffusion.
Diffusion.
Got it?
The yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One more
Yes,
point I
ma'am.
have written there. Kinetic energy of particle is directly proportional to temperature. Imagine, simple example I will give you. Water. Water with salt. You'll mix it. Okay, it will dissolve. If you are taking more amount of salt, how much time it needs to dissolve? Less time or more time? Okay,
More
one
time.
spoon
More
of
time.
1 spoon of
More
salt
time.
in water.
More time.
Imagine 1 spoon of salt in water. Similarly, 5 spoons of salt in water. Which one will take more time?
5
5
spoons
spoon of salt.
5 spoon of salt in water. Clear? Okay, good. Now, imagine 2 times again. 5 times of salt, 5 spoons of salt in water, 5 spoons of salt in water. One, we are increasing the temperature. One, we are starting to boil. Which one will mix fast?
Boiling.
When we are
Boiling.
boiling,
Boiling
it
will-
is
Boil.
when we are boiling,
it
it
will-
is mixing. Why it is mixing? The particles are moving
Evaporating.
randomly. Fastly the particles are moving and it is getting dissolved. So, kinetic energy of particle, that is the movement of particle, is directly proportional to temperature. As you increase the temperature, the movement of
The
particle
kinet-
will also increase or decrease?
Increases. Increases.
Increases.
Clear? Clear, students?
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
You got to know?
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
ma'am.
Okay.
Miss.
Shall we move to the next slide?
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, the
Ma'am,
next
explain
slide.
kinetic energy.
Okay. See, kinetic energy is nothing but any substance when it is in motion, when it is in movement. To move, it needs some energy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That energy is nothing but kinetic energy. All the substances in its movement will possess kinetic energy. The energy that is required for an atom or a particle to move is known to be as a kinetic.
Kinetic energy.
Clear?
Yes,
ma'am.
miss.
Okay. Shall we move?
Yes, miss.
Ma'am.
Okay. See, the next slide I'm showing. This is also one of the important property of matter. Particles of matter attract each other. Okay. Particles of
Yes, ma'am.
matter attract each
Attract
other.
each other.
First one, what it is? What
Solid.
it is? Solid. Second
Solid.
one,
Liquid.
third one,
Liquid.
Gas.
okay. In which one is the intermolecular space or the interparticle space more?
Gaseous.
Okay. Which one it is very less?
Solid.
Space is less. Space I am talking about. Space is less in solid. Space is more in gas.
Gas.
And moderate in liquid.
Liquid.
Okay. So now, in which one can you see the particles are highly together, tightly packed?
Solid.
Okay, very good. So which kind of particles attract each other?
Solid.
Solid will be
Liquid.
having high force of, tell,
Attracting.
attraction. So the interparticle force of attraction will be more in what?
Solid.
Solid. For example, there is a wood. Wood everyone has seen. Okay, scale, wooden scale everyone might have seen. Can you
Yes, ma'am.
separate that by your hand?
No, ma'am.
No,
Can
ma'am.
you separate? You have to put your energy and beat it. Right? To separate.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the intermolecular force of attraction in them? More or less?
More.
More. It has more force of attraction. Okay. Water. Tap water. Tap everyone has seen. You leave the
ma'am.
tap. You leave the tap. You might have played by doing like this with your fingers. Water
Yes,
will be
ma'am.
flowing down. You can just do like this. What will happen? There will be a break.
Yes, ma'am.
Break with the movement of the water molecules.
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
find it very hard to move that?
No,
No,
ma'am.
miss.
No. So what will be the intermolecular force of attraction in liquid?
Free.
It is
Less.
less than solid.
Solid.
Okay. Similarly, around you, everyone you are having the hands.
Yes, miss.
Can you move your hand like this? Wave it off. Wave your hand. Every one of you wave your hand. Everyone together wave your hand. Okay. Everywhere air is there.
Yes,
ma'am.
miss.
Air is there, no?
Yes, miss.
Okay, air is there. So, are you finding difficult to wave your hand like this?
No,
Wave it
miss.
once again. Wave it once again. Are you finding it hard to wave your hand?
No, miss.
Not at all, right? So, what is the intermolecular force of attraction in the gases?
It is less.
It is very less. Got it?
Liquid.
It is very less than liquid. It is very less, you can tell. Got it?
Yes, miss.
So what is the force of attraction in solids?
More.
What about in the liquid?
Less.
Less than solid.
Solid.
What about in the gases?
Very less.
Very less. Very less. Got it? Okay. So these are the three major properties of the particles of matter. You can see it once again. First characteristic is particles of matter have space between them. Okay, be fast and tell. Who will tell? Mars will tell. Mars is doing something there. Mars will tell. In which one? The space is more, space is less. That's it.
In gas, the space is more, and in solid, the less.
Space is less. What about in the liquid?
It is lesser. It is lesser than solid.
It is lesser than solid.
Solid.
A, it is more than solid. Space is more than solid.
Solid.
Next one, particles of matter are continuously moving. Who will tell? I am not able to see your names here. Can anyone tell? You tell your name and tell me. Any one of you on your own. Be fast. Okay, I should call out the names.
Shreya KS. Shreya KS.
Okay, tell me.
The energy is
See,
known
which
as
one it is
kinetic energy.
having continuously moving? Which kind of particles are continuously
Gas.
moving? Gas particles are continuously moving. What about the solids?
It is less than gas.
Hmm?
The moving of liquid is less than gas.
Okay, what about the solids?
It
is
has
very
no movement.
has no movement, negligible,
Movement.
very less, you can tell. What is kinetic energy, Shreya?
When we mix with the boiled water of salt, the salt will dissolve fast. It is known as kinetic energy.
No. The energy that is possessed by the particle for its movement. That is energy which needs for the particles to move is known to be as a kinetic energy. How is kinetic energy and temperature related? What happens when we increase the temperature?
The kinetic energy becomes high.
The kinetic energy also becomes high. Very good. Okay. The last slide was particles of matter attract each other. In which one is the interparticle force of attraction more?
Gas.
Solid. Pranita?
Solid.
Okay, in solid. What about in the liquid?
Less attraction each other.
Less than that of the solid. What about in the
Very
gas?
less.
It
Very
is
less.
very less. So the bond is very weak in gas. The bond is very strong in
Solid.
solid. It is moderate. Okay, it is strong. It is also considered to be strong in liquid. You got to know the examples of all these things.
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Ma'am.
So we'll continue in the next class. Everyone are here. Only
Yes,
29
ma'am.
participants are there. What about others? Shall I do the revision now? I will be
Yes,
asking
miss.
other students now.
Yes,
Radhashri,
ma'am.
what is matter? Be fast. Within 2 minutes, you have to tell. I'm asking them. Don't raise your hands. I will be asking. Radhashri, can you tell?
Ma'am, I can't hear you clearly.
Can you tell
Ma'am,
now?
ma'am, I can't hear you properly.
Now can you hear me?
Ma'am,
Maybe there is a network issue there. Are you able to hear? Okay, Bhumi,
yes, ma'am.
what is matter?
Matter is anything that has a volume and shape. Matter is anything that has a volume and shape.
Shape or it occupies space?
Ma'am, it has also occupied space.
Okay, good. Okay, Amruta? I'm not able to hear you. Amruta,
Yes, ma'am.
which are the
Yes,
three
ma'am.
states of matter?
Solid, liquid, gas.
Solids, liquid, and gases.
Gas.
Okay, can you give me few examples for matter? Examples for matter. What is visible to your eye now?
Ma'am, pen, book,
Okay, good.
pen, book, air.
Okay.
Sorry, ma'am. Air.
Okay, enough.
Water.
Enough. Ashish? Ashish, how is matter being classified? I'm not able to hear you. Unmute it and answer. It's been muted there. Tell. How are they classified in the earlier time?
Ma'am, in 5 types,
5 elements it is.
5 elements:
What are those?
air, water, fire, earth, air,
Sky. Okay, it is being divided into Pancha Tattva, that is air, water, fire, sky and earth. Fine. So nowadays, based on their physical property, Shreya K, based on their physical property, physical nature, how they are being classified into? How they are classified?
Miss, I cannot hear you properly.
This is one reason which you people can tell. I cannot hear you
No, miss.
properly. Mohammad Maz,
Miss, please repeat.
how they are classified based on their physical nature?
We cannot see by our naked eyes.
Okay, I'm telling how they are being classified. Classification
It is based on chemical and physical
is
properties.
based on chemical and physical properties. What about the physical properties? How they are classified? Which are the three states of matter?
Solid, liquid, and gas.
Okay, good. It is being classified into solid, liquid, and gases.
Gas.
Okay. Who can tell? Shrivalli can tell. Shall I ask question? Unmuted. Okay. What are the physical nature of matter? Two physical nature of matter. Be fast. Ananya,
Physical and chemical.
can you tell? Then all are sleeping there. Rashmi, Rashmi, most of you are not visible for me. Bhagyashree,
Yeah, ma'am.
which are the two physical nature of matter?
Physical nature. Oxygen, nitrogen.
Physical nature of matter. Shreya KS.
We cannot see in the naked eyes.
We cannot see them through our naked eyes. That is, the particles of matter are very
Tiny.
tiny. Good. One more.
And it has space between them.
It is made up of a particle. Matter is made up of a particle.
Particles.
Ma'am,
or
atoms.
Atoms or particles. Okay. Fine. So we'll end the class for now. Tomorrow we shall continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye bye. Go through it once again. I will be asking you the question. Only after that I will be proceeding. If not, will be there itself. Fine.
Ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.